This would be the main elevator at the block Northway, aka Northway Mall, or just Northway. Don't time I get a, ooh, isn't that shine? Don't time I get a full ride on this thing. Another Schindler 3300, installed in 2017. Oh, look at the new capacity plates they got now. The new Northway Mall. Okay. I'm sorry if I'm in a rush. I'm trying to get these videos uploaded as much as possible. I might be coming back here soon. But right now I'm mainly focused on going to Ross Park. There's no Santa Claus at this mall, unfortunately. Let's get a cab view. Same like the other one up front. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs because I gotta use the bathroom real badly, so I'm gonna ride on this. That thing doesn't sound healthy. I do like the light up Schindler logo. Blah blah blah, do not want to get a copyright. So there it goes, and that's it.